Dropping like flies, unraveling English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on a particularly vivid phrase, dropping like flies. This idiom paints a picture with words, and understanding it can add color and depth to your English communication. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, dropping like flies, is used to describe a situation where people or things are falling ill, giving up, or failing in large numbers, much like flies quickly dying off. It's a vivid way to express that something is happening at an alarming rate or scale. Importantly, this idiom often carries a sense of suddenness and overwhelming numbers. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The phrase, dropping like flies, likely comes from the observation of real-life scenarios where flies, having short lifespans, can be seen dying in large numbers, especially in situations where they're exposed to harsh conditions or poisons. This visual and somewhat grim reality has been translated into a metaphorical expression in the English language. To get a grip on this idiom, let's look at some examples. In the context of illness, after the flu hit our office, people were dropping like flies. Regarding failure or quitting, during the tough hike, members of the group were dropping like flies. In business or projects, startups often struggle in their first year, with many dropping like flies. By using dropping like flies in these contexts, you can convey the extent and rapidity of loss or failure in a vivid, impactful way. It's also important to know when an idiom might not be appropriate. Due to its somewhat graphic imagery, dropping like flies might not be suitable for very formal or sensitive situations. It's best used in casual conversations or in contexts where a strong visual metaphor can effectively illustrate the point being made. And that wraps up our exploration of dropping like flies. Idioms like this one enrich the English language, offering colorful ways to express complex situations or emotions. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms not only helps you understand the language better but also brings you closer to sounding like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.